Hi everyone, my name is Eddie. I made ProShot, and in this video we'll be going over how to use the app as well as tips on how to get the most out of your camera. You'll notice the interface has a minimal yet informative design. This is intended to keep you free from distractions and focused on your subject. Let's start with the basics. To zoom, simply drag one finger up and down. To adjust brightness, slide your finger along the exposure compensation slider to the right of the camera button. To take a photo, tap the camera button. To review your photo, swipe right on the viewfinder. To return to the camera, swipe left or swipe down. The power of ProShot lies in its dual dial system. This is a unique mapping of traditional DSLR controls to a touch interface. Let's go over them now. On the top right is the camera mode dial. Here you can change between camera modes much like a normal DSLR. On the bottom is the drive mode dial. Here you can change your shooting mode. There's your standard photo mode with optional bracketing, video, slow-mo, light painting, and time-lapse. You can control the settings for each of these modes from this menu. For advanced shooters, you may want more manual control. This is where ProShot's program, manual, and custom modes come in. To select a camera mode, you may either select it from the camera mode dial or let ProShot select it for you. Here, ProShot automatically switched to manual when we selected a shutter speed. And if we set shutter to auto again, the camera mode will automatically switch back to auto. Now we'll go over the various camera settings. Near the camera button is a row of options that impact how your final image turns out. There's flash, white balance, ISO, shutter, and focus. Let's see these settings in action. White balance allows you to control the color temperature of your scene. There are various presets and also an option to manually adjust the temperature in Kelvin units. ISO allows you to change how sensitive the image sensor is to light. The lower the ISO value, the less image noise there is. The higher the value, the more image noise. This is useful when you're doing night photography and want the cleanest output possible, or when there isn't much light and you want a blur-free photo. Shutter allows you to change the exposure time of your image. This is very useful for night, action, and indoor photography, as well as advanced video capture. Finally, there's focus. Autofocus is the default setting. You can tap anywhere on the screen to select a focus point. To make adjustments, drag the focus circle anywhere you like. To return to autofocus, tap on the focus circle. On compatible cameras, ProShot offers the option to manually control focus. Simply open the focus menu and slide the focus slider. Included here is a useful manual focus assist feature. You can pull the focus slider towards the center of the screen for a detailed look at your subject. To return to autofocus, tap the autofocus button. Some devices offer the ability to capture raw photos in the DNG format. To select an image format, tap the image format button on the top left corner of the viewfinder. For additional settings, tap the settings button to show the settings panel. Here you can adjust a variety of settings such as location tagging, histogram, interface theme, and more. For more information on these and other features of ProShot, please see the user guide linked below. Thank you for watching.